Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Subnautica game crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem, or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then relaunch Subnautica game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, remove outdated modes. So if you're having any outdated modes, then remove such outdated modes and then launch the game and check. Or you can also completely remove or uninstall modes and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to close Citrix workspace. Now if you have installed Citrix workspace on your PC, then close the Citrix workspace from the task manager and then go ahead launch the Subnautica game and check. Fix 4 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links is given in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, then select your operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So you have to browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Subnautica game folder. And then look for the Subnautica exe file and select it and then click on open to add it to the list. Then go back. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. And then click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Subnautica game folder. Then select this Subnautica exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the Subnautica game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. You have to make sure that private and public is ticked mark for the Subnautica game as well. And then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6, run the game from the game installation folder. Run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Subnautica game folder. Now first double click this Subnautica exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. And then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply, OK. And then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then in the compatibility tab also check mark run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down select Windows 8. Then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, just uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Now if the game is launching in VR mode, then try -VR mode space none in launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Subnautica game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. If you right click on Subnautica game and then select properties. Now in the launch options, type -VR mode space none, then close the tab and then launch the Subnautica game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the Subnautica game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 8 is to verify the game files. So again open Steam, go to library, right click on Subnautica game. Again this is just an example. You have to right click on Subnautica game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see install option, then click on install. Click yes to allow. And if you see repair option, then click on repair option. So either repair it or install it. Just wait. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Click yes to allow. So either repair it or install it, and after installing both x64 version and x86 version, you have to just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the Subnautica folder and then select Subnautica exe file and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, look for it and expand it. Then click on drop down next to GPU preference and then select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, then you can go ahead, launch the Subnautica game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Subnautica game. Again, this is just an example. You have to right click on Subnautica game and then select properties. Now in the launch options, type -DX11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the Subnautica game properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the Subnautica game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 12 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Subnautica game and then click on properties. And then turn off this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 14 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. You will see check for updates over here. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC after installing the updates. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Subnautica game from your PC, then restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Subnautica game crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.